Hey guys, Southside Tech, and today is probably my first time changing out my AirTag battery. After 1 year of use, it started beeping on me. I have a pretty basic Belkin case on it. Let's see. Now this initially was tied to my keychain, so let's see if I can take it apart here. If it's still after 1 year, oh, that's pretty tight. That is pretty tight in. Usually this says you can just pull apart and twist, but it's not letting me. Okay, I think I'm getting it. I just pulled apart. All right, oh, a little crusty. Things that are in your keychain. That's, I'll clean that up later. So now, according to Apple, I think you press down and turn right. Yep. So press down, turn counterclockwise. There's the old battery. Let's get the new battery out of the pack. Now the new batteries were pretty cheap on Amazon, so you can find those replacements pretty cheap. So let's get that out. And let's get the old battery popped out. If it wants to come out, there we go. New battery in. Makes a little noise. And I think you just push in and turn clockwise. Yep, looks like it's pretty tough, pretty stable. Throw it back in the case for another year. And I think we're good to go. That was pretty quick. I think you guys could do that at home. Pretty good use for the AirTag. Maybe once a year, depending on use, to swap it out. But that was it. Thanks for watching, guys. Southside Tech. See ya.